Who says keto breakfasts are just bacon and eggs? If you're tired of the same old plate every morning, it's time to shake things up. Starting your day with the right keto breakfast can boost your energy, keep cravings in check, and help you stay focused without the mid-morning crash. A keto breakfast should be high in healthy fats, moderate in protein, and very low in carbs. But that doesn't mean boring. From creamy smoothies to savory egg muffins, the possibilities are tasty and endless. Let's dive into some delicious keto breakfast ideas that are easy to make, satisfying, and perfect for anyone living a low-carb lifestyle. Keto avocado and egg breakfast bowl, serves 2 ingredients. 2 large eggs. 1 ripe avocado. 1 tablespoon olive oil. Half cup cherry tomatoes, halved. 1/4 teaspoon paprika. Salt and pepper to taste. Fresh parsley for garnish. Instructions. Heat olive oil in a non-stick skillet over medium heat. Crack in the eggs and cook sunny side up. In a bowl, mash the avocado with salt, pepper, and paprika. Divide between 2 bowls, top with cooked eggs and cherry tomatoes, and garnish with parsley. Creamy, rich, and ready in 10 minutes. Coconut almond keto smoothie, serves 1. Ingredients. 1 cup unsweetened almond milk. 2 tablespoons shredded unsweetened coconut. 1 tablespoon almond butter. 1 tablespoon chia seeds. Half teaspoon vanilla extract. Half cup ice. Stevia or monk fruit to taste. Instructions. Blend all ingredients until smooth and creamy. This tropical-inspired smoothie is packed with fiber and healthy fats to keep you full all morning with only about 4 grams net carbs. Cheesy egg muffins with spinach and bacon, serves 4, makes 8 muffins. Ingredients. 6 large eggs. Half cup shredded cheddar cheese. 4 strips cooked bacon, crumbled. Half cup chopped spinach. Salt and pepper to taste. Non-stick spray or olive oil. Instructions. Preheat oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, 190 degrees Celsius. Grease a muffin tin. Whisk eggs in a bowl and stir in cheese, bacon, spinach, salt, and pepper. Pour evenly into muffin cups and bake for 18 to 20 minutes until set. These are great for meal prepping, just reheat and go. These breakfast options are full of flavor, easy to customize, and completely keto approved. Whether you want something quick for a busy weekday or a hearty brunch option, there's something here for every taste. Quick tip: prep ingredients ahead of time. Cook your bacon, wash your greens, or pre-portion smoothie mixes for a faster morning routine that still keeps you on track. Which of these keto breakfasts would you love to try tomorrow morning? Let's trade ideas in the comments and make mornings exciting again.